Hello loves, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel and welcome to our home. In today's video, we are doing a weekend project and I'll let you in on that. What has happened in the home, nothing major. As well as I am sharing a product that I have fallen in love with. So if you're interested in seeing what we're doing, just keep on watching. I'm going to kick off this video with a product review of the A27Q7 KTC Meg Pad. It is a 27-inch portable screen TV. It is a 1080p touch screen monitor on wheels with 8MP camera, compatible with Google TV, Android 14, QC, 8 gig RAM, and 128 gig storage. It has a 9500 milliampere hour battery. It also comes with a remote. Easy to follow instructions, and it comes with one tool, that's all you need, and a couple of screws to assemble. It took my hubby less than 20 minutes to assemble this Meg Pad. Here is the power cord, and we let it charge overnight. The MEGPAD also comes with a tray that you can attach to the pole to hold your remote. Wireless and wired projection. This TV tablet on wheels offers both wired and wireless projection options, including Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.1, and Type-C port, allowing you to choose the best method and easily mirror the content on your phone, tablet, laptop, gaming control, etc. Setup was very easy. Follow the prompts on the screen. I transferred the apps and materials that I wanted from my cell phone. This TV tablet is Google EDLA certified and Android 14, boosting full Google certification and being outfitted with the latest Android 14 operating system. This portable TV tablet provides you with quick access to your favorite apps on Google Play. Powered by Qualcomm chip, you can enjoy seamless streaming and fast performance when using apps like Netflix, or YouTube on this portable TV stand on wheels. Flexible screen and remote control. The angles of screen can be flexibly adjusted according to your needs. You can tilt, swivel, or pivot the screen, or even elevate the rod to best suit your circumstances. My favorite feature of this TV tablet is that you can download your cable provider. We have Hulu, and I can watch live TV from it. In my living room, dining room combo, we do not have a TV in the space, and this is perfect. There are times that I come in this room and yes, sometimes I want quietness, but I also want to watch things that I want to see. And I am loving this MEGPAD. You are able to use this touchscreen monitor for 4 to 5 hours, fully enjoying the movies, shows, games, or works without being tied to an outlet. Perfect for home as well as outdoor gatherings. I can sit down in my living room and watch and enjoy a movie or a TV show. I can move it to my kitchen and pull up one of my favorite recipes and enjoy cooking while I follow the recipe. Or I can let hubby do the cooking while I sit back and watch YouTube on our back patio. This MEGPAD comes with a worry-free service. They provide 1-year warranty and responsive customer support. If you have any issues when you use the KTC 27-inch portable monitor, feel free to contact them and they will respond within 12 hours. Information about this MEGPAD will be listed in my description box down below, as well as a discount code for all of my blessed family members. Thank you so much for the opportunity to share this amazing product, which I love, with the blessed family. So on with what is going on in the household of the Davises. It seems during the holidays each year, something is breaking down in my home, and that is this microwave. I don't think this microwave is 5 years old, guys. But I told my hubby I refuse to purchase another one. And I'm not tackling another home improvement project until after the holidays. So this microwave will stay here until 2026. Last year we had to replace around the same time our range. But anywho, back to the microwave. So I hopped on Walmart.com and ordered a countertop microwave. And it is by the beautiful line by Drew Barrymore. And I have several of her pieces that I absolutely love. So Why not get the microwave, right? We're going to put this new microwave in my pantry. Now, I did not want to put it on the shelving in the pantry because I need all of the space that I can get on those shelves to place food or to store food. And look at the inside of this box. Make something beautiful. I think this is so pretty. I did not want to leave it on my countertop because it takes up a lot of space. And at the present moment, I didn't have anywhere to put this microwave in my pantry. So on to the search of a microwave cart, cabinet. And I wanted to do it inexpensively. So off to Goodwill I went, and I stumbled across this cabinet. And guys, I knew the potential when I saw it, and I could not believe the price. $6.99. I did not hesitate. Did I measure the space? No. And for $6.99, if it didn't fit, I would donate it again, but it does. And so I put in a little work on it, which I do not mind. I used Rust-Oleum spray paint with primer in it. I came home, I cleaned it, and spray painted this piece. Did I sand it down? No. I just went to work on it with the spray paint. We did have to replace one piece of glass. And while I was painting, hubby went to the hardware store to get a piece of glass cut. We also ran to Hobby Lobby because I did not want to put the same drawer pulls on it. They were a little dated for me. I wanted something new. So Hobby Lobby, we went and found some drawer pulls on clearance. And it's the same drawer pulls I have on two pieces of furniture in my home already. On my buffet in my dining room and on some nightstands. So we're going in the pantry to see the finished product. And guys, I'm loving it. Don't look too hard in the pantry. I have some straightening up to do as well as some restocking to do. But guys, are you ready for the reveal of this cabinet here in my pantry? Well, here it is. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she beautiful? This piece came out amazing. And look at those drawer pulls on it. How gorgeous. And the details on the glass. I'm loving it, guys. I'm loving it. So here's a cost breakdown of how much it cost this DIY. The cabinet was $6.99. The Rust-Oleum spray paint was $5.96 each, and I grabbed 3 cans. I grabbed 4 cabinet pulls at Hobby Lobby for $3.49, and the glass, which gave me a total of $53.83. Oh my goodness. Does this look like a $53.83 piece? And by the way, this is real wood. It is heavy. So in goes the microwave to its new home in the pantry, and my family is loving it. Let me know in the comments section your opinion about a microwave being in a pantry, and let me know about my new to me cabinet for my microwave. Well, guys, that's all I have for you in today's video. Now I'm on my way to the grocery store to fill up this pantry, which is another DIY project my hubby and I did, and we're loving it and it's holding up nicely. But if you're new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Double click that bell so you'll be notified of all uploads here at Kimberly Davis, A Blessed Home. I can be followed on other social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, as well as TikTok. I also have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for beautiful home decor, home essentials, personal items, and more. All of those links can be found in my description box below. And if you are a faithful and returning ABH family member, you already know how I feel about you. I love you guys so much. And I am truly thankful, grateful, and blessed that you are a part of the blessed family. Thank you so much for watching. You take care. You be blessed. And I'll see you on the very next video. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there. And I'll talk to you real soon. Love you guys.